Okay, so here's Mom's door switch for the windows and stuff in her van. I should have taken a before and after. This thing was all cruddied up. And I had to replace that guy and that guy right there. Not easy. First I had to find the fuckers in an old laptop I had. See down there? Thank you HP for donating those two pieces. I matched up the numbers. Mom's there's a 2013 Grand Caravan. The windows, speedometer, blinkers, windshield wipers, all that stuff started not working. I pulled the door switch out and bam, everything came on. So all the research I've done says that once you pull the faulty module out, the rest of the stuff will start to work again. So I'm hoping and praying that this here window switch motherboard, see how it's kind of cruddied up right there? It's 100 times worse. Does the trick. I'm going to put pause on here and go out to the van and see what happens. Alright, so here is the rest of the window switch. Pieces, parts, my vape. Oh shoot. That's what it is. That's where it came out of. I took all that stuff off underneath there, thinking that I was gonna chase some stuff down. Again, this is a, where is it? Isn't that shit usually in the driver's door panel? What the heck? Oh, here we go. '13 Grand Caravan. I need to block that shit out right there. So I'm gonna push pause again.